Today we've got an awesome 6-ship Sunday here in Port Canaveral with the Disney Adventure making another amazing appearance today. She's docked at Terminal 3 overnight, so she's here again today. And then we've got the Star of the Seas, MSC Grandiosa, Disney Adventure, Carnival Vista, and the Norwegian Prima. If you're new to the channel, my name is Brandon. Welcome. If you're a cruise nerd just like I am, you're in the right place because we do ship spotting videos just like this. And we even live stream these sailaways every single weekend. We also have cruise vlogs and ship tours and much, much more. So you're in the right place. Go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And of course, be sure to leave a like on the video as well, as it tells YouTube to recommend this video to more people. As always, a big thank you to our members of the channel. Members do get early access to these ship spotting videos and cruise vlogs. Thank you all so much for your support. And if you're looking for other ways to support the channel and what I do here, use that affiliate link down in the description and book your next cruise with my friends at cruisesit.com, as they will make sure that you get the best deal possible on your next cruise and as well as support the channel. It's a very beautiful day here, at least as we made our approach into the port. As it got closer to sailaways, we had a huge cold front blow through. Actually knocked some of the ships off the dock, which was pretty intense, but don't have any footage of that, sorry. The winds pretty much kicked up from nothing all the way up to gusts of over 30 knots, and all within a span of just a few minutes. And the temperatures even dropped from 75 down to into 50s within the span of an hour. So it was a very intense little cold front that blew through this day. But anyways, we have an awesome sailaway here for you guys, regardless of the weather. So I hope you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy the sailaways. that'll do it as the Disney Fantasy sails away and heads out to sea for Lookout Point, the new private island for Disney Cruise Line. As you saw and as you heard, she gave us quite the show with her musical horns as she sailed by the Disney Adventure. Still didn't have her musical horns ready to go, which was quite unfortunate. She never really got a chance to do them here in Port Canaveral. But nonetheless, we had an awesome day. And of course, no Norwegian Prima sail away as she was actually delayed again due to the previously mentioned ships coming off the dock due to that insane cold front that whipped through. Anyways, we had an awesome sailaways, though, for all the other ships. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed videos like this and you're new, be sure to subscribe down below if you're a cruise nerd just like I am. We do live stream these sailaways every single weekend as well. And, of course, leave a like down below and let YouTube know that you enjoyed today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.